Piaggio Ave is a party essential that you didn't know you needed until right now. Dylan and Tyson are here to tell us all about the rolling taps. Welcome to the show, both of you. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
We are so excited. Now, did I say that right? Piaggio, did I say that right? Does that mean truck?
You sure did.
Okay.
Piaggio, that's the brand, and then the model is Ape.
Ape.
Yep.
Okay, this is the cutest thing. The cuteness overload is taking over our show. Okay, where did the inspiration and idea come to create this business?
Yeah, so 2020, before we all got stuck in our houses, I knew I wanted to do something creative and something that was outside of my day job. So we kind of, we love making cocktails together, so this kind of channeled that creativity into what this is now. Yeah.
And here we are.
Yeah. Yeah, she's imported. She came all the way from Italy on a very slow boat, and then we all got stuck home, so she sat in the middle of the ocean for a very long time.
For a very long time. Oh no, now she's here. And I know you said she, and she has a name. What is her name? What did you name her?
Yeah, her name is Beth.
Beth, this is so cute. Okay, tell me what Beth can do. And actually, Tyson's going to show us a couple drinks while we're talking about that. What can Beth do?
Yeah, so Beth can serve up anything cold. We can do cocktails, mocktails, we can do beer, we've done cold brew coffee, craft root beers, anything cold. So today he's making us a couple of mimosas.
Nice. I love it. Non-alcoholic, right? We're doing it safe today. Thank you so much, Tyson. Let's get one for you, Dylan. Okay, does Beth drive? Do you drive her to places? How do you get her?
She absolutely does. Yeah, I trailer her to wherever we are going to be hosting the event.
Okay.
Or be at. But she'll go about 35, 40 miles an hour. She's got a little 2-cycle engine that is loud and obnoxious, but it's also really fun to see her coming rolling by.
Yeah, you don't mind seeing this around.
No.
This is the first tiny tap truck in Utah, is that correct?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yep.
How does that feel to have the first one?
Actually, that was part of the inspiration. Is Dylan scoured Instagram, she found a photo of one while we were in the pandemic and said, "What is this thing?" We found out that this business in Atlanta, Georgia, it was a mobile bar, and that's kind of where we got rolling to figure out what it was. We got it imported from Italy. We had a connection in California that could help us get it to there.
Yeah.
And then we worked with a hot rod shop to build it out into what it is.
And to look, there's a cooler on it. I mean, there's so many. If you look at the front, you can do all different drinks. There are 4 different options. You're going to do a beer for us too. So people want to rent you out for weddings. Yeah, how can we get a hold of you, and what kind of parties can we rent you for?
Yeah, so we've done weddings, we've done pool parties, we've done networking events. With the small trucks, we can fit inside a lot of spaces.
Yep.
Yeah, we've got our next event is a networking event. But yeah, we've done farmers markets. We want to be where the party is at.
Where can we book you? Because I know once people see this, they're going to want to book you immediately.
Yeah.
So where can we go? What's the best place?
Right through our Instagram handle. It'll take you to a link on our booking page.
Okay.
It'll ask you a couple of questions just about your event, where it's located, and from there we will get in touch with you to give you a custom proposal to fit your needs.
To book Beth. That's amazing. Can I have a cheers?
Yeah,
I love it so much. You guys, thank you so much. Congrats on Beth. It's so cute. Thanks for being on the show.